Hey there, let us check out the ACRIMO Motorized Curtain Track. This smart track kit features a convenient Wi-Fi motor and remote control. It works seamlessly with Google Home, Alexa, and the Tuya Smart app. You can easily assemble and install this rail in less than 30 minutes. The innovative patented steel belt system ensures smoother and more efficient operation. Enjoy ultra-smooth and silent movement with adjustable speeds and high load capacity bearings. Backed by a generous 5-year warranty, this kit brings effortless automation to your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.